Everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with a Goodwill bins haul. And I went with my friend Diane on Monday, and at the time I didn't know it was Goodwill related because I've been there once before. It was okay, but it wasn't kind of my cup of tea. Um, you pay by the weight. I spent $54. I had 30 pounds of stuff. It's hard to believe when you look around, but whatever. Um, I got some nice stuff. I mean, not gonna go wrong. Would I do it again? Yeah, she goes like every other week. But you dig through everything. It's crazy. And the people are nuts. So, I got this. And I don't know if it's for baking or it's a back massage, but that's not what I bought it for. I bought it for jelly printing. I thought it'd be a cool design. So I got that. And I got the new potato smasher. I have one of these in my kitchen. I'm actually thinking about switching it out because this one's actually got a better handle for jelly planting. Boom. That'd be a cool design. So I got them. Got them back here. Then I got this. I just threw it in a cart because I came across it. I love dragonflies. And then I grabbed this. And I actually grabbed this for Diamond, except Scott says he wants it because he says it's got the 4 prongs to grab the turkey. Mine only have a 2 prong. So he told me where he wants that. And I'm like, okay, turkey man, it's yours. And then I came across these, and I just threw them in because they reminded me of my dishes. And I guarantee us little Gen X will remember them. For Riley to play with. I know one's broken, but aren't they cute? I don't know why that one's so yellowed. But I think it's this one. But I thought they were cute. But this is what I got all excited about. I had these. The Holly Hobby. I wish the whole set would have been here. But got the little plastic cup. If you guys remember this one. These little things. These are so old. So I got them for me and Riley to play with. Because she plays kitchen here with us. And we're always playing restaurant. And she'll bring dishes of food out. You name it. She even got some guest chick that I gave her to play with. And then I came across this little guy. I thought he was adorable. He is missing an eyeball. But he's a one-eyeball frog. It says welcome. Look at him, cute. And his feet dangle. And I like things in my yard, and they'll go in the wind, you can hear them. Cute. So that's that. And then, I know this is from Hobby Lobby. And I know this was not at no Hobby Lobby for $2. And it's taped. I don't know why it's taped. Ooh, a little rust, but no major. I can fix that. But tell me a price tag on it for $2. Off. And it says pumpkin patch, and it's got the stakes to go outside. That's what it looks like, guys. Can you guys see that? Good size. Hooks in the ground. Look at that. Thought it was cute. And, you know, I decorate my yard for all the seasons. And I got that. Sorry about that. I got this little bunny. I wish they had more of these. I don't know where these are from, but they're cute. Little Mitch bunny. They reminded me of those marshmallow things at Easter. I wish there was a couple more of them. I'd have had more. And then I came across this flag. Oops. Dang it, Tina. There we go. No. Here we go. Yeah. So I got that. And I got this little girl. I wish there was a boy. This was $4 at Goodwill. It sits up. Somebody wanted $4 for that at the garage sale because the tag's right there. So that's a donation. That was cute. And then I got this little girl. These things aren't cheap either. So I remember looking to buy one of these, and they're so cheaply made and the price they want for them. So I got that. And then I got a whole thing of bracelets was tucked in this box of pipe cleaner. Allie and the girls, they are always using pipe cleaners, so I grabbed that. And then I got these. Just little things I just threw in the cart. I mean, I could have won. I came across a bunch of stamps, but there were all the princess stamps that I already had. I got this simple bead kit of the month, Annie's. And you has everything in it to make this set. And the biggest thing I came across, oh, and I got Scott a book. I don't know where it went to show you. The biggest two things that I love that I got was this 13th piece wall art frame set. Me and Scott had pictures done last year of us in steampunk attire, and he got the whole set, and I want to do a wall, and then all the frames will match. I looked this up. This is $35 new, so I paid $54 for what I bought, and this was $35 new. And guess what? It was new, because oh, I hit it the wrong way. See, it's still in the plastic wrap. So that was a cool find. So that went home with me. Of course, you've seen it. But one of the luckiest finds that I fell in love with was this. Loved ones don't go away. They fly near us every day. And it's a tree of life, and it's got 3 cardinals on it. And I just like, yep, I want that. Because it's Scott's parents and my mama. So I have that hanging in my living room, or will be. So I just thought I'd come on and share my Goodwill bins. It was fun. It's it's a good girlfriend day. And I think next time I probably will go with a little bit more money down, because I just took my cash in my pocket, because Diane says you really don't want to carry a purse. Put the cash, So I only grabbed, I think I had $70 on me. But I kind of wish I'd had a little bit more bucks, because there's some stuff. I would put stuff in a cart, and then I'd go through the cart and determine what I wanted and what I didn't want. So there's quite a bit. There was this cast iron little table, or not table, chair. It was so cute. But the weight on it was so heavy, it brought me up almost $30. And I'm like, yeah, no. So, but it was a good day. Thanks for watching. I'm going to let you guys go and go finish making my dinner and hang this up and put things away. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.